वार्म अप मैचेज हुआ था, अभी तक कभी वर्ल्ड कप के मैचेज में दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड ऑन 30th of September द ICC Women's World Cup will start from Guwahati. The opening match will be played between India and Sri Lanka, and along with that opening match, ICC as well as BCCI is planning some opening ceremony. And as you all know, recently the youth icon, the musical icon of Assam, or the cultural icon of Assam, Jubin Garg has passed away. Today his dead body has arrived, his mortal remains have arrived in Guwahati, and it will be kept for 1 or 2 days for public viewing. And there is a huge grief and tragic situation prevailing in Assam. So keeping in consonance with that situation, and as a person who deserves some respect, so Assam Cricket Association, maybe with BCCI, will have a tribute program at the time of opening. So we are trying to have a Jubin Garg. So we are planning some things. By this evening we will finalize something, or it will crystallize who will be the artist, who will pay their respect and tribute to Jubin. But there will be about 40 minutes program in memory and in the name of Jubin Garg.
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Along with Shreya Ghoshal will also be there. She has already planned to be a part of it. We are trying to bring some other cultural programs also, but they may not materialize now because 40 minutes we will have to devote in the name of Jubin Garg. So that will be the biggest tribute a cricketing fraternity can offer for Jubin.
So this will be the same day. Opening
ceremony. It will be a part of the opening game, and
just before the match.
Okay. Before the match, Jubin Garg's tribute will be there. During the mid session, Shreya Ghoshal's program will be there.
Okay, like between the innings. And apart from that opening ceremony, if you can give more details of what will happen in the opening ceremony, how are you
Till now, it is still in the planning position. So far as mid innings part is concerned, Shreya Ghoshal will be performing. She will be performing 4 or 5 of her top hits along with the theme song of ICC Women's World Cup 2025.
And what would be the chances, because our team played well,
So you have seen that it was a very keenly contested series which was over yesterday. Australia won by 2-1, but India played extremely well. They could chase 412 by short of few runs. And one match India won handsomely. 102 runs was the victory margin. The other match India lost by 8 wickets. So there is a parity between India and Australia, and Australia is considered to be one of the best team in the women's cricket. And India is catching up. And till now, India has not won any ICC women's trophy. So this is a big opportunity for Indian women's team to do good. And as the matches are being held in India as well as in Sri Lanka, everybody is backing our Indian team. Recently, they have done extremely well in England also. Both T20 and ODI, they have beaten England in England, which is a big achievement for the England. So Indian women's cricket has come of age, and I am sure they will make a remarkable performance in the upcoming World Cup.
And this is hoping that elusive wait for the women's World Cup.
I hope that the jinx will be broken this time.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.